Welcome to the Indian Coastal Inlets Restoration Program ICIRP. India's coastline is characterized by the presence of several inlets formed from confluence of creeks and estuaries with the sea. Several of these inlets are tidally influenced, resulting in exchange of seawater that traverses inland, enabling flushing of the waters and sediments from the upland areas. Due to climate change related impacts, damming of rivers, and change in sediment transport phenomena along the coast, it is observed that the creeks remain closed due to formation of sandbars at the confluence. Bar mouth formation severely impacts coastal dynamics, leading to erosion and accretion on either side of the inlets and negligible flushing of the inland waters. In several locations, industries discharge their effluents. Sometimes, heated waters of the coolant waters used in thermal power plants are also discharged into the creeks and estuaries. When the inlets remain closed, the heat from the coolant waters does not dissipate. Also, effluents do not disperse, leading to several ecological issues like harboring of invasive species, impacts on the biological growth, fish kills, and fisheries loss. The Coastal and Environmental Engineering Group of NIOT proposes to undertake the ICIRP for keeping the inlets sustainably open. Given its experience of over 25 years in field work and modeling of hydrodynamics, sedimentation in channels, water quality, and ecological aspects in such creeks. ICIRP requires comprehensive field studies covering 3 seasons, measurements of bathymetry, tides, currents, and influence of waves on the inlet morphology, numerical modeling studies for various scenarios, and preparation of a DPR in consultation with the stakeholder departments. NIOT's capability includes use of statistical tools for historical analysis of the behavior of the inlets using GIS to compute the sedimentation and erosion rates and also evaluate long-term shoreline behavior. Numerical modeling tools help in modeling the hydrodynamics by integrating the creeks or estuaries with the open coast using a 2D model. Long-term sedimentation analysis, wave impact studies, temperature dissipation, salinity changes, etc. are evaluated using numerical models. With the capability to simulate inlet dynamics with mouth closure and open, it is possible to design a sustainable opening solution, which may be training walls, breakwaters, or dredging alone. ICIRP shall support local government agencies like the State Public Works Department, Water Resources Department, Fisheries Department, etc. to implement a scientifically designed solution. It can also be useful to socio-economics in helping of safekeeping of small boats during adverse climatic conditions, and in some cases useful for navigation and tourism promotion. Implementation of ICIRP is based on stakeholder inputs, which require identification of priority sites, stated objectives, and site-specific solutions in order to keep the inlets sustainably open.